Hi, I'm Brian Kelleher with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here today with 3 reasons why you may want to put your house on the market this winter rather than waiting for the spring. Well, daylight savings time has passed and it's getting dark out earlier. The holidays are creeping up and people are starting to wonder whether they should wait until the spring to put their house on the market. And I'm here with 3 reasons why you may want to consider going ahead and listing your house now rather than waiting for the spring. Number 1 is there's less competition during the holidays and the winter months than during the spring. It's true the spring is prime time for real estate. It's also when there's the most houses on the market, which means the most competition for you. So when someone's out looking for a house during the holidays, there's less to choose from and there's a higher likelihood that they're going to come see your house and possibly make you an offer. Number 2, which goes hand in hand with the first one, is that there's fewer buyers out there during the holidays and the winter months. And that initially sounds like, oh, that's terrible. There's less people out there looking for homes. However, we find that the buyers that are out there during the holidays tend to be more serious. They don't want to be out there. It's dark, it's cold, they have holiday parties to go to, they have shopping to do. And so the people who are out there, they're out there because they need to be out there. Maybe they have a job change, they have a deadline, they have to move by a certain date. Whatever the reason, we do find that the people out there looking during the winter tend to be more serious. And so when they come to see your house, there's a higher likelihood they're going to make you an offer after that visit. And the third reason is it's just less hassle to have your house on the market during the holidays. Because there's fewer people coming through, it means there's fewer appointments. You just don't have to keep your house as show ready all the time. It's easier to have your house on the market. You don't have people coming through as often and all day long like you do maybe in the springtime. So there you go. There's 3 reasons to possibly list your house during the winter rather than waiting for the spring. If you have any questions about any of this, or if you're thinking about listing your house this winter, shoot me an email, text, or give me a call. And in the meantime, thanks for tuning in and stay in touch.